from Builder to Explorer. When I'm ready with my design, or in any moment I want to see a different view of my design, I can go to the Explorer menu and run a local preview of Indyco Explorer. Indyco Explorer is a web server that can be hosted inside your company, but any Indyco builder has a built-in local server, so you can preview your work. Explorer Intro. The Explorer is the other side of Indyco Builder. While Indyco Builder is the tool for the data warehouse designer, Indyco Explorer is the tool for everyone in the company. It's a site that can be accessed by any users that have access to a BI report or dashboard inside the company, and it allows any user to navigate into the data structure to better understand their reports. Search. The first way I can use Indyco Explorer is this. Suppose I have a question in mind. For example, I want to know about the discount of an order given to a customer. So I can go to the search bar, start typing discount, and this list appears. I see here the dimension where this is written or measured. I want to know about discount value in order, for example. So I click here, and Indyco Explorer drives me directly to the right place. I can then go to the customer and see that I have some sample value. Sample value. I can click on the eye and see more details, like sample values or description or notes. And if I'm okay with it, I can select, and you see that the customer goes into the right side. Then, I might want to know not only about the customer, about the date, and then select one of the KPIs, like discount value. Now, I have an overview of what I have in mind, and I can, for example, share this view to someone else, or just go to my BI front end and apply this query. Legenda 1. The main view of Indyco Explorer already gives me some important information. For example, going with the mouse over an area, the orange bubble is an area. I can see how many facts are inside the area, 2 in this case, and how many dimensions are common to other areas. So here I can see that our 3 dimensions all come from different areas. So the blue, for dimensions, means common to different areas. If I click an area, I zoom in, and I go inside the area. So in this case, I see the 2 facts, and in yellow, I see the dimensions that are common inside the area. Legenda 2. From the area level zoom, I can click inside a fact, and now I see the yellow that are the dimensions that are common in the same area, the blue that are the dimensions that are common to different areas, and the gray that are local dimensions. Of course, I can always expand any dimension, and I see the same formalism that I saw on the builder. Plus, going to the info, I can add comments. So anyone can comment, add information, and so on. When something changes, like there's a new Indyco Explorer version, or there are comments, here in these notification areas, you have all the information that you need. Table view. On top of this beautiful graphical representation, there is something called table view that gives me a tabular view that makes sense at each level. So I have different representation for every level. Here, for example, I have a description of everything at the fact level. If I click here, I see each hierarchy and all the information inside each hierarchy. If I go back and go one step up to the area level, again, I click on table view. Here, I see the conformed hierarchies for that level and the areas. So I see which hierarchy is present in which area. If I go back to the upper level, that's the complete data warehouse. I see here, again, the conformed hierarchies at that level, and I see in which areas I have that dimension. For any information, don't forget to follow us on our Indyco website. You can follow us also on Twitter and on LinkedIn. The links are on our site. Plus, don't forget to visit our support center to open tickets if needed or to get information on the DFM or all the features.